Do you have a roof that needs an expert? The right professional can make all the difference. But how do you find the best roofer for the job? It's simple when you know what to look for and the right questions to ask. Today's local roofing expert will provide some great tips on finding the perfect professional that will easily tackle your project.
Hello, my name is Jeffrey Benoit, Central Mass Building and Construction. I've been in business for 35 years, doing all phases of construction. If you'd like to visit our website for any other information and references, it's centralmassbuilding.net. Thank you very much.
And there you have it. Pretty simple, and with the right professional, the choice will be pretty clear. If you're interested in learning more about what today's expert had to say, just call the number on your screen. Thank you for joining us.